the principal, management and staff of Kamil Muslim College, the chairman and the members of the board, the education officer primary, invited guests, parents, students, brothers and sisters. Full of Vinaka and a very good morning to you all. I'm extremely grateful to the management and staff of Kamil Muslim College for inviting me. And of course, I'm pleased to be here this morning on your annual awards day. And it always gives me a sense of belonging every time I come back to my hometown. Kamil Muslim College has created a respectable niche in the Fijian education system, and I am sure you all are honored to be linked to this institution. This is a historic day for all of us, as we will honor the students who have done well in the examinations and other areas to qualify for the awards, which is a great way to lift students' motivation and also to encourage others to work hard to become the best. Today is really a day of celebration. Celebration of your achievements. And of course, time to stop there. Measure your performance. Just like business community do their stock take at the end of the year, to measure their performance in terms of profit loss, you as the students will have to measure your performance in terms of how you have performed. At this juncture, I would also like to acknowledge my good friend and colleague, Mr. Ron Singh, the Managing Director of Kenya Bookshops. Kamil Muslim College has attained and maintained academic excellence and been one of the leading institutions in the Western Division. The college has also performed well in the field of sports and recently won the secondary school's IDC in Suva. And I had the privilege to be with the team and to speak to the team before the final. Your victory is not only your school's achievement, but it is a defining and a proud moment for the people of Ba. And I personally salute the team for bringing glory to the district. Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to say next concerns the future of our children. Dear children, we are all created by God, and He is in control of all the events happening in this world. Take life as a gift and have confidence in yourself and your ability. Value your culture. Do not waste your time being jealous and dishonest. Don't be pressured to follow the wrong path. Listen to your parents, elders, and teachers, and nurture a life of goodness. I urge you all not to fear ideas and be bold while making the most important decisions in your life. Don't fear ideas, as ideas make life and situations better. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji First Government has time and again displayed its concerted effort to invest in education. We feel that the education is paramount to the success of Fiji, and we are going to exhaust all avenues to create a knowledge-based society in Fiji. Therefore, I urge students who will join tertiary education next year to take full advantage of the Student Stopper Scheme and Loan Scheme. Today's world recognizes skills. There is a lot of variety and scope out there for a person to excel. You have great opportunities today. Learning has become more exciting and enjoyable, so make use of it. At this juncture, I would also like to take this opportunity to pay my tribute to the staff members of this college for their dedication towards the promotion of education. Any work in the field of education is a noble work. Children are at the mercy of you for education. Handle them with respect and dignity. I'm also aware the type of students you receive in school. I request you all to address the problems of children with care and love. All I can say to you teachers that your contribution, if not recognized here on this earth, let the Almighty to do so in His kingdom. Continue working good for your school and the children. To all the parents and well-wishers who are present here today, also deserve special mention, particularly because of their belief and trust in their children. You play a vital role in the part of education of your children. I humbly request that you spare some time for your children to ensure that they are equipped with the necessary tools of teaching. Ladies and gentlemen and children, before I perform my official duty this morning, I wish to commend the management of Kamil Muslim College for their commitment to the community and the nation. This commitment is realized in the fields of education, culture and worship. Your contribution is significant in each of these and has marked them with quality and growth. Lastly, I wish to say that just like that food is necessary for a healthy body, proper education is vital to success and a happy life. Thank you, and may God bless us all. Now.